Hello there.
We are from Team Gemini.
And this is our innovation, the Drizzler oil.
In the world of expanding technology, food can be accessed from anywhere around the globe. But how about storing it? Studies have shown that 1/3 of a billion metric tons of food produced worldwide is wasted. 21.6% of them are fruits and vegetables, which are a major source of vitamins. But current preservation methods have their own side effects that include nutrition loss, change in taste and texture, and can contain salt, sugar, and other activities that can be dangerous for our body if overused. Plus, thermal preservation methods require a lot of energy, which can't be found in underdeveloped communities. Because of this, our idea relies on two nexus, which are food and energy. In addition, our projects can adhere to two Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, which are responsible consumption and production, and also zero hunger.
And here is where our idea comes in. Studies show that bacteria cannot tolerate vegetable oil, so we have decided to use that against bacterial infection. We are targeting underdeveloped rural communities who have limited access to sufficient power supply. And so, we have created a simple prototype to convey the possibilities of this idea. Here's a short demonstration on our progress.
Every great idea has a story behind it. Originally, we wanted to use this idea as pesticide, but then we thought it would be more effective as a food preservation method. Our experiences taught that in collaboration, our one voice does not triumph over the other. We listen to each other's feedbacks, for that is our greatest strength. When we began working on the project, we realized that we have problems with communication because of COVID-19. So we had to strategically plan our execution. Despite our difficulties, we managed to pull it through. Another thing to note is that we must open our eyes and our mind to the world. Problem is everywhere and not just around our surroundings, not just in our surroundings. In addition, we would like to thank our teachers and NXplorer coaches and our parents for the feedback we needed to improve this project.
Preserving food should not be a luxury.
It is a need for everyone, rich or poor alike.
Thank you so much for listening.